Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Another Dollar Tree food review. This time we're going to be doing the Indian Valley Farms brand pork roll sausage. If you're interested in learning more, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're looking at the pork roll sausage, 5 thick slices. Net weight is 5 ounces. Servings per container is 5. Makes sense. Calories is 180. Total fats 12 grams. Saturated fats 4 grams. Trans is 0. Cholesterol is 30 grams. Sodium is 590 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 2 grams. Dietary fiber 0. Sugars are 0 and 16 grams of protein. Ingredients are pork, water, salt, sodium lactate, sodium phosphate, brown sugar, dextrose, paprika, spices, sodium whatever, and another sodium. Let's go ahead, get it cut open, and take a look. I don't like the fact that you actually got to cut it open, but it is what it is. You definitely have to put it in another container. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in cast iron frying pan, heat it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I put it in the cast iron frying pan, about a minute each side. It's greasy like pork sausage. Problem I had, it kept bubbling up, so I'm thinking I probably should have cut it like a piece of bologna, like that. This way it would lay down in the pan a little bit better, maybe got a little browner. I gotta say, I'm kind of surprised. It's halfway decent. It's not real. It's greasy, but not too greasy like bacon. But I like my sausage a little more spicy. But if you're gonna have like an egg, sausage, and cheese sandwich, or just an egg and sausage sandwich, this would be great for it. So go ahead. I'm gonna say it's worth the dollar. The texture's good. The flavor's good. Like I said, it could be more spicy. And since it's only $1, and you have like 5 slices, so you make 5 sandwiches, I'm gonna have to take that in consideration too, because it's less than 25 cents a piece. So I'm gonna say, go ahead, give it a try. I'm gonna give this 4 out of 5. As always, thank you for watching.